Boni kamna toko kwana. Ndoli shwanga Simbarati o amwire this time round cho support ya William Ruto. Utikire mumuru mwavo Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i. Na gusiyengi maya anchirenga umondo wacho support in 2027 Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i. Ikirugu kyuvo governor in Kisii County. Kirokinega kongo. Kirokinega kongo tikambatei. Esabu kwika yakwe. Na lero ga anti tuko baroshiria mangana biraisi. Kerobo gambi bunu bobo governor bukwero ni Kisii County. Chinyomba cha Gusii mpaka chirigererigwe. Chinyomba chiro ntubwati cy'abanyalibali eyanyalibali abanyalibali mbaro abanchali mbaro abagirango mbaro ababasi mbaro n'abamachoge mbakoteki mbaro. Kero tubwati nyombe chichonzi. Ndubwate ibirugu bya Kisii County. Ndubwate obo governor, obo deputy governor, obo senator, obo speaker, obo women rep. Ibirugu byonsi pi ibande kuba distributed as chinyombe icho chiritanya konyora chinyole in the most fair way. Abantu abategereriga cyamba de ndubirana abaligirere bane. Nyalibali bwate 150,000 registered voters approximately by now. In 2027, hawara amende akangushika register bali. Abanchali bakatora 64,000. Then South Mugirango yabora bagirango bakatora 79,000. Ababasi bakatora 106,000. Then amachoge bakaika 110,000. Simbarati arwete bobasi. Now, tukuligele sawe yero. Ibrugi biro mpaka be distributed egera tunyora very fair game or maybe a very fair combination ya 2027. According to me, ladies and gentlemen, ibirogo bidipitara nyora chinyomba chitara nyora ibirogo nechi umugetutu kwanza nyoro bo governor umubasi naero nyoreki governor bamachoge ndanye to deputy governor. I think no Josh Mange arwete. Please correct me on the comment section yekine wrong. Igo nyomba chitigate n'abanyalibali abanchali n'abagirango bado mbaranyora bugambi. Lakini bone bintu mbira tutabonete kweva 2027 nuko kunoko ba Simbarati tabandi kubwa kirokeli onyaka kugenda against Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i au paka tuagiri n'abagusi wa Kisii County mpaka tuagiri nga whichever the combination so long as you kwira Simbarati ka wikia kolekana ni kirase mpaka bantu kuvunyomba kando ese yiru anu enkongo because inchira Kisii Simbarati ara support Ruto arafe mako nyale kanangi kiroko kelikia Kisii County kyo governor nende Simbarati ai tako affair. So as we speak today kwa ikatumanya ikiroko kilino kunoko ba apu ikatu make sure ikiroko kelikia achireki as Matiang'i egendo kento bantu manyanike ndoko igino chinamba chia abanyalibali 150,000 abagetutu 124,000 na machoge 110,000 oikan tutike ko igno abana bange ndurakana. Lakini the fact remains na ki kiroko kende sigi bune yabone yoko jugo face harati paka chinamba chiba considered iko kakeba girango abanchali ponsi pi tumayenga nese yebo tuchikurane kongo fairness badai. Lakini korende nimbwate various combinations ndo chinga tira chikokonya kera toko gendaga weka tumayenga ndubwate the best combination, a team with the best, and ndubwate the team that is the most fair. Time just mangigura ba chuane aba digere ne support a chat. Time just mangigura. We have the most fair and the best. The best one nearly what the highest numbers, and the most fair nearly considerable batanya konyora. So the best one is this 150,000 chanyalibali na 124,000 chabagetutu. As you got the 274,000 starting base. Abusi Marati mwiso koira obo governor voru bogetutu obonde deputy elu kosovo governor voru nyalibali obo deputy voru bogetutu ko combine chibere already jajire 274,000 combination teyo Simbarati ara duale era ikireju so far teyo unless ati go for governor nere ayo munyalibali ate no governor but so far that is the best. But ko koligere dia nyalibali yero tranyora governor Lakini bugitutu yanyobo governor George James Ongwae. Hindi mbabatu for Senate. So that cannot be that cannot be the most fair combination. So what is the most fair combination to whatever? Omunyalibali no Machoge. Koko combine over very Machoge about 110,000 votes. Munyalibali agacha na 250,000 votes. One of you go chivere chikoleta 260,000. Close to. It is close to Yabagitutu. So that will be the most fair combination erajiko konya umugusi bwensi aitsane kinaki nenchi na kotrek na nyol gusenjira ndoche ibintu bino biko genda ka umugirango usika umumachoke usika umunjari nakateki na nyole. That is the most fair. Kereto kuira the most fair, the first the best fair, the best combination. Kereto kugana with the best combination, a year 274,000 votes. Mnyaliba hali anyole, ubo deputy governor, umo governor, ave, umo getutu, umo senator, ave umo machoge, umo win rep, bagende bo basi, umo speaker, bagende bo nchali, and then a unique one abagirango ikamunyolinga Matiangi ni warote po girango buibuli bwaye. Ikabano Matiangi represent dire abagirango. Ikabagirango mo tuko Bagirango mo sa bakiro this time around. Obo president ni to kwa. Matiangi no amenyete Nyamira. Ali skim lakini ya no mugoli. Ntoma ita vayo. Matiangi buibuli bwaye mbugirango. Ikabano bugirango mbwate po president initimoka. Now, inkinta era ovo governor boga Nyalibali. Asingincho yonyonka. Onyonka no mokongwale nkisi county. Ave considered no governor kuru kitutu chache, bugitutu era ave fair. That's a strong combination. Second of all, Nick, machokuna yetu liba kali yoko run for the governance seat in 2022. Lakini akagunze. Kolende na vera irenga ne wave ya Matiangi ngakieri na Azimio. Na hako ya wateme, but I feel mundo ka be rejected. Tiawe kando enda ngao. Tiaga no for senator von. So that the only combination here 270,000 yons ya chirenga. In the most fair combination, you know what of governor? Boko genda Nyalibali. Or deputy governor, bogenda Machoge. Inkingo ve kirango governor bogende Nyalibali. Simbarati no hate deputy governor kurwali. Totaba iti governor chikura chiriwara 50,000 ngwira bara Simbarati. La Simbarati ro governor. So guiko lakini acha kirango tanga china amba chia Nyalibali na kitudu mpaka tuchiconsider. Nimetenga Dr. Ndali naro. But nguchi okuranda analysis. Onyo Ndali ka gochitari ko chama Matiangi nguchi ko move governor. Tokulikeli buyaga, ladies and gentlemen. Igonere very clear nga onyo governor wa Nyalibali. O deputy governor bogenda Machoge, aho babate 260,000 votes. Aya gokulikeli ka, ladies and gentlemen. Obo senator bogenda Kitutu onyonka ate kala sale. Obo speaker bogenda Bonchali, women rep basi. Matiangi a represent bogiranga. Abagiranga na abange mule lakini Matiangi no yino. Bogiranga ya mananga keresi bionda vinga ya abagiranga na abange tole na abange mule we don't deny. Lakini bono Matiangi ya yarwete. According to me, that is the most fair combination Turatuare in Kisii County. Chinambe chivere cha 124,000 kuru Kitutu na 150,000 kuru Nyalibali. Nchikoba ignored. Under the blue sky. Wao nalo go Savalende. Etimu leo karasana Matiangi. Mo kolea go sorry. Etimu ya Matiangi. Musifanye mchezo mubahatishe kirokia Kisii County. Mo vazo bahatishe. Kisii County njira taranya magenderero. Simbarati amagendera toro kinaya Ruto. Era ya yenga yari. Aya yenga yara ali akorera te abantu kurige santwa. So in the last 4 years, 2 years neke na akodre kira konya bagusi inki akodre. So therefore let us not forgetting Simbarati must go home, not because I support Matiangi alone, because of 3 things. 1, I will support Ruto. 2, lack of development. 3, the type of leadership erusi. There's no way you're ava monogeri no go tebol hafu magumuka ocha yo mugusikira wa tebana ki Matiang'i torochocha. Thirdly, guni zumwele ocha kusini yake asiki kunyalekana unabona nchimugu wangu kachi video kango the Simbarati colleagues tingo tacha Kisii County asimati ase stadium mumaitenga abantu barati no bali aba murabaye bali kirasi aho wita bakubekire ndo bakuite. So guni zumwele yore kusinga bono ndo express ourselves freely tilingia. On the comment section, feel free to share with me on what you think. My name is Abel Mukwa. I think I've satisfied now. And I've done the analysis. Actually, any request, yangi cherukurusu. One of my viewers, at Mukwa Times Guzi Fashion. Nimbate yeke songo kwa Mukwa Times. Na mwoko ndalipia mwaligeli. Asingo kwa national issues. Kakimbo eba kusubscribe. Ina mbane nera. Walibaraga ni support channel. Muvasu kueva. Na mwoko support. Mwoko NRM pesa number. Muvasu kueva. See you next time for more videos.